Hey folks, have you ever wondered what it's like to see the view from inside and outside of the truck when it's going down the track? Well, thanks to a suggestion from Painkiller, we're going to give you what you want.
Mac V8 versus Cat Freightliner.
Yeah. Denomme, Tyson Brand, watch out. Tyson Brand, on a toujours en masse. Et Denomme, pour l'instant, attention, Tyson Brand, we got a race. Denomme, Brand, who's gonna win? Denomme, Brand, Tyson Brand, by an inch. I need a photo finish.
What was the